The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for Clayton County in north central Georgia, southwestern DeKalb County in north central Georgia, south central Fulton County in north central Georgia, northwestern Henry County in north central Georgia, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Riverdale, College Park, Mark, Southbridge, Forest Park, Riverdale, College Park, Mark, Gainesville, Avondale Estates, Lake City, Barbadale Park, Druid Hills, Conway, Fort Gillum, and Ellenwood. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Here is the official forecast from the National Weather for the latest weather information, including at 4 p.m. in Athens.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for Clayton County in north central Georgia, southwestern DeKalb County in north central Georgia, central Fulton County in north central Georgia, northwestern Henry County in north central Georgia, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Decatur, Jonesboro, East Point, Stockbridge, Forest Park, Riverdale, College Park, Morrow, Hapeville, Avondale Estates, Lake City, Hartsfield-Jackson Airport, Grand Park Zoo Atlanta, Candler McAfee, Belvedere Park, Druid Hills, Conley, Fort Gillum, and Ellenwood. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.